Bula Vinaka, very good morning to you all. It's my pleasure to be here today to acknowledge the achievements of Fiji Ports Corporation Limited and Fiji Shipbuilding Heavy Industries Limited organizations and their staff for their contribution to the financial achievements of the company. Each and every employee of FPCL has contributed one way or another to the achievements of the company and are the pillars that have made FPCL, the company, a strong organization that it is today. You may not realize it, but the work you do in whatsoever role you perform, the minute you enter our doors, enter our gates, you make a huge difference to the success of the company. And it is your commitment that has brought us here today. Ladies and gentlemen, the decision of the Fijian government 4 years ago to enter into the public-private partnership by divesting shares to FNPF and to an overseas specialized port operator, Aitken Spence, is really giving results and dividends. The divestment secured the partnership of long-term investors in FPCL and has contributed to the development of FPCL's asset base and continues the improvement of Fiji's main seaport, including its expansion, its modernization, and development of specialized facilities. The improved position of FPCL ties with the Fijian government's vision to strengthen Fiji's position as a trade, transportation, logistics, and communications hub of the Pacific. As you know, ports, whether sea or air, play a crucial role in realizing this vision. Since the divestment in 2015, the profits, as the CEO noted, of FPCL has increased by over 200%, which means bigger returns for our shareholders. It also means returns to Fijians, as dividends paid to the Fijian government and FNPF is going back to the taxpayers and members of FNPF. Ladies and gentlemen, in the year 2019, last year, FPCL has again done exceptionally well in terms of revenue generation and profits. The company has recorded a net profit after tax of 28.04 million, an increase of 4% compared to 2018. This has also led to an increase of shareholding dividends from 16.24 million to 16.82 million in 2019. Again, this translates into a 4% increase in the dividend that will be paid out to all the shareholders this year. So in terms of figures, the Fijian government will receive 6.89 million payment from the 6.65 million that was paid out last year. Similarly, FNPF will receive 6.56 million from the 6.33 million it received last year. And of course, Aitken Spence will receive 3.3 million from the 3.25 million it received last year. So this record dividend payment this year comes at the back of phenomenal performance of the company FPCL in 2019. Now, despite the number of vessels berthing in Fiji remaining steady from 2018, the 2019 performance of FPCL was robust due to prudent cash management and cost-saving initiatives that the CEO outlined. The year 2019 has laid strong foundation for FPCL's 5-year strategic plan, which commenced in 2019 and will go up to 2023, and the achievements of its 6 main strategic goals. So I'm sure you've seen the strategic plan. I carry a copy with me. I hope you all can refer to a copy. But some of the strategic goals that includes, that's also Vajira had mentioned, one is governance, protecting our shareholder integrity, our transparency, while achieving a balance between commercial and social deliverables. Second is infrastructure, investing strategically to ensure necessary availability of fit-to-purpose facilities while investing in future assets options for long-term efficiency and productivity. Third is financial performance, spearheading the commercial and financial stewardship of FPCL and ensuring shareholder value is enhanced in the midst of implementing capital-intensive projects. Fourth is organization and capacity, aligning ourselves, our organizational structure to objectives and capacity requirements while promoting gender equality and retention. The fifth one, very important, environment, implementing a port sustainability guideline and energy management initiatives to become the green port in the Pacific. And the last one is safety and security and technology, adopt smart port initiatives to achieve best practice in international port security and safe working environment. So, ladies and gentlemen, these goals most certainly can't be achieved on their own. We need your assistance and cooperation in their achievement because, as you know, this year, the year 2020, has been a challenging one, perhaps the most challenging we've had. And we are reminded of the important role we play, not just in the safety and security of our passengers, our port users, but also in our recovery by creating a modern, vibrant trading port. I urge you to continue working with dedication, gratitude, determination to ensure that we meet these goals despite the pandemic. One of the key deliverables of our strategic plan is the reallocation of the existing Suva port. The Fijian government, together with Ministry of Economy leading it, and the Asian Development Bank are working with FPCL on a feasibility study, as you all know. This is a critical project, a critical deliverable to build confidence in the Fijian economy that is working towards a recovery in the post-COVID period. This project is also critical to fulfill the FPCL strategic vision of becoming a smart, green gateway for trade in the Pacific region. FPCL has also launched the 2019-2023 Green Port Master Plan and Sustainability Guidelines for Procurement, which contributes to the blue and sustainable economic recovery. Ladies and gentlemen, the basis of this excellent performance of our organization in 2019 is your hard work. Thus, I am pleased to announce a bonus of $203,210.16. The bonus will be paid to all the 159 employees for their good performance in 2019. And this is why we are here today. We are here because all of you have continued to support the company to achieve the goals set in the year. Having in place a robust performance management system, the PMS assessment, which was done by an independent assessor, portrays the transparency of FPCL. It also shows confidence that the board and the management have in all of your ability and also in terms of your performance and rewarding this performance and hard work. The strategy the management has executed towards this bonus achievement is commendable, but even more commendable is your commitment of all of you to the company. Ladies and gentlemen, to the employees, it's your dedication and hard work coupled with the strategic leadership of the management and the board that has enabled FPCL to achieve unprecedented levels of success. Ladies and gentlemen, this effective leadership of the board of directors and the management has ensured consistent improvement on the return in investment, income optimizing, and prudent cost management. I thank, therefore, every staff member, every team member of FPCL for its success. It is your hard work that is being rewarded today. To the management and staff, I urge you to continue moving forward, review operations with long-term aim of maximizing the value of FPCL by investing in modern infrastructure. This will also ensure that FPCL becomes more profitable, efficient, and is further aligned with the international best practices, standards, processes, and protocols, and ultimately the vision of the Fijian government. I look forward to your continued commitment towards achieving the vision set for the next 5 years. And I thank all our stakeholders, including FPTL CEO that is here, and our shareholders, their representatives that are here. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, I take this opportunity to sincerely thank our Line Minister, the Honorable Attorney General, and the Minister for Economy, and the Fijian government for the unwavering leadership and guidance over the years. Our achievements will not be possible without the Fijian government's support and broader strategic guidance. With those few words, I once again thank you all. Vinaka Vakalevu. Thank you for being here.
Yeah,